Alright, so this is another story problem. If you look at what I highlighted, it talks about the total number of tickets sold and then how much money we brought in. So right away, I know this is a total and a value story problem because I have the total number of tickets and I have how much they're worth. So if D is the discounted tickets and F is the full price tickets, then I know the total of those two types of tickets is going to be 203. Right, so that deals with the total. All right. Now, the value is how much they're worth. Well, every discount ticket costs what? $225. And that's $225 per ticket. So we need times D. If I buy 10, this would bring in $22.50. If this is 100, it'd bring in what? 225. So I need to multiply the number of tickets times how much they're worth or how much they bring in. Same thing for the ones that are full price. And I know money-wise, the value of those tickets when they're sold is $513. All right, now, as far as solving this, then, I'm going to use the elimination method because they line up. I'm going to multiply by a -3 here. All right, and so when I do this, I end up getting a -3D, a -3F, and a negative, what, 609. And then I get 2.25D, and this is still the same. Okay, these cancel, and I get, what, a -0.75D equals, now grab my calculator here, 609 and what, 513. Alright, so that's 96 and it's negative. I owe -96, and then divide. And again, I'm just going to reach for my calculator here. Excuse me, so this is, what is that, 128? Alright, 128. Alright, and so that is the discounted tickets. Alright, so there were 128 discounted tickets sold. Right, and then I want to know each type, so I want to know both. So I need to figure out the full price. So I could sub that back in. Now the easiest place to sub that 128 back in is going to be in that equation right there. So because 128 plus F, so if I take 203 minus 128, I end up getting 75. So 75, and that would be what, full price tickets? Okay, so then I have my two answers, and again, if I want to check them, I want to make sure they add up to 203, so you can add those 203, and then I could check, does 128 times 225 plus 75 times $3, does that really equal $513? All right, so do they add up to 203? And the answer is yes. And there, so I know that that right there is a correct answer.